Welcome back to Lamb Chop Builds. How's everyone doing today? This is going to be my What Did I Buy Wednesday with the kits I picked up at the Cincinnati Challenge and a couple other little things I ordered for some upcoming projects. So with that, let's get to it. All right, so we picked up a couple kits at the show a couple weeks ago. The first, I picked up an airplane kit. It's $5. Couldn't beat the price for looks like a complete kit. It's a Lean Tecmo Vought, which is the part of Fujimi, or that's just maybe what it's called. So Fujimi down here, A7B Corsair 2. No decals that I can see, but I think I can come up with some of those on the eBay or something. We'll see. Not a bad little, you fun little build for $5. Then we picked up a 67 Cornet. Remember I was saying I would need a grill out of one. We got one. Got the decals with it too still. The only thing we're missing is the instruction book on this one, but no, we got it there. Never mind. What am I talking about? Complete kit. Good price on this one too, so you know. I'll use the grill out of the other one for this one. Yeah. It'll get built someday, I'm sure. If not, I don't build it yet. It may take a while. And we picked up one of these. The Mobius 71 F250 4x4. Not bad looking kit. I got this one now. This is my third Mobius kit, I believe. Because I have the Wrecker and the 71 Ranger F100. So one of these will be getting built pretty soon. Because I want to build one of these kits. See how it is. See if I can get it back in the box. After I mess with it. Then we picked up a 87 Grand National. Sealed. Pretty cool. Looks like it may have gotten wet somewhere along the line. Maybe not. But, you know, not a bad little kit. So this, I think I got another. I think this is in the same family as, maybe it's even the same kit as this one. Looks like it anyhow. Both 1/24 scale. They'll be getting built. One of these will get built sooner than later. They'll probably be the newer release. Then we picked up some. I did pick up a T-shirt at the show from STS. Their America 250 shirt. It's pretty cool. Then I ordered some modern desert, US modern desert colors for my MENG 6x6. When I get on that, this comes with an aged white, ivory, US desert armor, desert sand, earth, and dark earth. So that should be what I need to paint. Get that looking good when I get started on that. What else have I picked up lately? I think that's about it. I wish I'd have been able to pick up that Ventura. I seen the price went to $100 and it was gone. Maybe next time, right? That's all we can do. Maybe next time. A little bit of progress on my van projects happening. You guys can see. It's getting the body filler sanded down good. I had to redo this a little bit because there's still a little bit of indentation. But that'll get done. I did figure out the hinge, if you want to look back at a previous video, for the ramp door. We'll get that going. I'm not going to have as much time at the bench this week because we're hopefully, or should be at work, changing over, because we run on SAP. When we was with Honeywell, it was on their servers, I guess. And so we had to clone the system to a new server and test. And there's been some issues in testing, but we're coming up on the end of the time we can use. So we're cutting over Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So I'll be off work at the end of the week, but I got to work 12-hour days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And then first thing Monday morning, I have to drive down to Lawrenceburg, Kentucky, pick up some items we need because the vendor didn't ship them. We got to have them to run production, so they asked if I'd mind driving down. So that's what I'll be doing Monday morning. I'd reached out to Hot Rods, and he'll be at work already. I was asking him if there's any good breakfast places down that way. He said Huddle House ain't bad, so I may check that out. Because I'll be leaving my house around 3:30 to get down there at 6:15. Maybe a little later. I might take my time getting down there. Unless plans change, who knows. But you guys won't see that till this is after. I'll let you know how it went. Because I'm recording this on like early Saturday morning. And we'll go, yeah, I'll let you know how it went. I'm going to be filming my model cars and coffee here in a little while too. With that, happy modeling. We'll see you next time.